All right, everybody, today we're talking about the world's favorite sport. That's football. No, not the real football, but football, soccer. In the World Cup, it's only 12 days, 10 hours, and some minutes away from kicking off in Brazil. And as many of you know, I'm not a soccer aficionado, but I'm actually getting excited about the World Cup. It's kind of like when you're getting ready to get married. You know, you're not too excited about it until it gets closer, and then, yeah, you want to get married. Hope my wife doesn't see this, but it's like the World Cup, okay? I'm getting pumped up. The U.S. in the group of death, obviously taking on Guyana, Germany, Portugal, and that's going to be difficult for them. No Landon Donovan. Certainly some interesting names going to be popping up and playing interesting roles for the U.S. soccer team. But I'm pumped. I got my soccer gear on. No Bend It like Beckham. He will not be playing for the England team. Sorry, ladies. There will be other stars to look at with their shirts off. Trust me on that. We'll have a lot of fun with the World Cup, making fun of it, yes, watching the games, and of course getting you all the action. It's 12 days away, ladies and gentlemen. The World Cup in Brazil will be full of chaos. It'll be full of excitement, and even yours truly is excited about it all.
ESPN 99.1